Today, a memorandum of understanding was signed between the Ministry of Youth and UNHCR, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. It is a first step that allows for migrant children who have sought asylum in Belize to have access to youth services offered by GOB through various agencies and departments.
This has been in the making from the very get-go when we took over this ministry. I know the director got in contact with the UNHCR, HCR, and they themselves have reached out to the Department of Youth Services in wanting to collaborate. There's a lot of needs in this country, and there are people who come to this country, young people who come to this country seeking services. And what more beneficial is it that the Department of Youth Services take on this to ensure that those people who are refugees in this country and as asylum seekers who have had terrible experiences in their own country come to Belize. As was mentioned, they look at Belize as a fresh start. And so what we're doing here today is to ensure that we offer that commitment to say that we are going to be able to provide services to all our young Belizeans who are looking for support, but also to those young refugees and asylum seekers that come to our country wanting the services that we offer.
There are currently 2,400 persons registered as refugees and asylum seekers in Belize. Among them are minors, primarily from Central America.
To work together on different programs, projects, initiatives targeting youth, targeting young people, refugee youth and asylum seekers. We're talking about persons who are forced to flee and are looking for protection in another country. They are obliged to flee to save their lives. In this case, people who are coming to Belize and are looking for a safe haven in Belize, but also, and that's equally important, working together with the host communities and those, the Belizeans, who are receiving these people and the Belizean youth. So it's really about protection services, access to services, awareness raising, capacity building, but also the promotion of community-based initiatives which will help communities and will give young people a chance to continue, etc., and strengthening their skills, recognizing, of course, that young people have a lot of potential.
With support from UNHCR, the Ministry of Youth will carry out a number of activities to enhance the many services it offers.
We're going to work on completing our youth needs assessment survey. So I want to thank UNHCR for offering us that support so that we could look at this thing holistically, where we're addressing the needs of our young people. There will be a lot of data collection exercise. There's going to be capacity building in terms of the service area that we are going to, the conflict and behavioral modification services. The team will be able to build capacity. There's a lot of in-house training that will take place. But also, the fact is that we are saying that we want to ensure that these people who seek these services are able to get the services. That's the commitment we are offering in this M.O.U.
Duane, Moody for News 5.